Hi, namaste everyone. Today we have a profound topic to discuss about. It's about third eye opening. To understand from a spiritual perspective, third eye again linked to Agna Chakra. There are 7 energy centers in our body where nerves point me. The Agna Chakra is the energy center located in the middle of our eyebrows. This point is associated with the ability to perceive things beyond the 5 senses. So, how one can open third eye chakra, and is it safe to open third eye chakra? Yes, of course it is possible and safe to open third eye chakra only if, please check with the condition, only if you are following certain spiritual practices and under the guidance of Guru is suggested. Otherwise, it is not safe to activate or open your third eye because when you are in a low vibration, opening the third eye is dangerous. The third eye is another mind that lets you see things very differently. Your breathing pattern will not be in proper order and all the chakras will be imbalanced, and it affects badly your mental and physical health. So one slight mistake and you can lose your mental balance forever. So, what is the right funda? And let's know the mechanism or process related behind this opening of third eye. So, let me explain you in case of like the third eye is open. So, what will be the effect? So, how will be the breathing pattern? Let's check. So, people who regularly experience third eye activation feel a change in the way their breath flows. Usually, it is seen that the pace of our breathing is haphazard and it either flows from left or right nostril. People who experience third eye activation feel that their breath is very deep and centered. So, note our natural breathing pattern changes, and deep cleansing of the channel will be happening. So, whole mechanism is connected with pattern of breathing, your mind and body relatively connected with breathing pattern. So again, let's understand how it activates in yogic way. So we normally breathe through one nostril or the other at a time. So the left nostril associated with Ida Nadi, the right nostril is associated with Pingala Nadi. When we breathe through both the nostril, the breath is associated with Sushumna Nadi, and Sushumna is the center channel connected between Muladhara and Agna Chakra. So the balanced breathing between Ida and Pingala Nadi will leads to flow of energy forced with awakening Kundalini, and by directing the center channel awakening the third eye. So this is the method how pattern of breathing changes and how our third eye opening happens. So let's check out few methods. So before going to check out the methods, we should note and follow few of the things. Like, it's important to note that to keep our body healthy with a proper diet, light diet, usually vegetarian. So stay away from junk food and alcohol and exercise every day. It depends upon the person and the path that followed. So everyone is different. Some are drawn to more devotional practices, others more technical and yogic practices. So let's check and try up with breathing practice like pranayama. So when the mind becomes still, breath becomes equanimous or a momentary, like natural cessation of breath is achieved. Your breath starts moving upwards through a spiritual channel located in the spinal column and awakens your spiritual body and activates or opens your third eye. So as said, the energy must raise and stay risen in the higher chakras, beginning with the activation of third eye opening. So let's check with the next factor related with the third eye opening or the blockages also we have to consider with. So the calcification of the pineal gland, and friends, we know pineal gland is also identified by third eye. So and it is common like as a result of diet rich in fluoride and calcium, there will be a calcification of pineal gland, and so to decalcify the pineal gland, avoid fluoride. So pay close attention to the water. So fluoridated toothpaste is another prominent source of fluoride. So pure water filtered out, and use fluoride less paste. So another factor is sun gazing. The sun is greater source of power. Gazing the sun gently, right, like during the first few minutes of sunrise and last few minutes of sunset, to boost our pineal gland. So the other technique is like people stick with chanting mantras like bija mantras. So different chakras have different bija mantras, and different bija mantras has its that sound is having its own vibration. So chanting om, like the single word om, produces the sound and vibration which allows you to feel divine energy around. Om is a single syllable word, also known as bija mantra. As a sound vibration, the various patterns of the mind rearrange, calm down, and experience the peace. So breathing pattern will be changed again, so which follows and helps in third eye opening. So chakras are balanced and channels will be cleared. So make a proper pace of chanting om, like so friends, check here, chant Aum is like, it's not om, it's aum. So chant a with focus on Muladhara chakra in the pelvis for one count only. Chant u with focus on Anahata chakra in the chest for 5 counts. Chant So when you chant there will be a vibration. You can feel that sound. So chanting with focusing on Agna chakra in the forehead for 3 counts. So chanting Om will forced with awakening of Kundalini, and it directs towards central channel to awaken third eye. The other method is hypnosis. So keep watching the hypnotizing diagram with circle shaped imagery. Focusing attention, gazing continuously leads to deeply relaxed, and it will take to sleep like trance state. So people in a hypnotic state often seem sleepy and zoned out, but in reality they are in a state of hyper awareness, which opening their psychic ability and third eye. So the next technique to open third eye is Shambhavi Mudra. The Shambhavi Mudra is also known as the eyebrow gazing mudra, as you have to turn your eyes upwards so that they are looking directly at the point, the spot between your eyebrows at the location of the third eye chakra. Observe Mahavatar Babaji photo. You can check Babaji eyes are gazing upwards. So use this mudra when you practice third eye meditation and allow it to center you and keep your mind focused. So going further, next we will check out with the very practicing method like Tratak meditation. So Tratak meditation is also called yogic gazing meditation. Like it's a practice where the gaze is fixed on a light of a lamp for some time, and turn the same glimpse of light can be visualized clearly with the eyes closed as an inner image at the eyebrow center. So here during this process the breathing pattern will be changed. It will get balanced and regulated, which again helps in third eye to open. So friends, These are where different methods related to open third eye. So I recommend not to open in shortcut way. Again, I would like to put some point that the time takes to activate the third eye chakra is different from for everyone. Usually it depends upon one's own dedication, sincerity and the application of right technique. So note what happens usually the third eye is activated according to the spiritual advancement, the accumulated spiritual progress of previous birth. The activation may take place between the time periods of 1 week or 3 months, not know. It may take even many years also. So stay tuned with your sadhana, like practicing. Thank you for listening. Shubhamastu.